Hello dear, welcome to English Needs. In this video, you are going to test your knowledge of question tags. You may have already learned these things in your school, but how far you have learned it, that has to be tested. When the teacher teaches, you feel that it is very easy and you feel that you have completely picked it up. You have already learned sufficiently. But after some times, it is natural that you forget the things. Even if you forget one or two points, even if you forget one or two steps, then you can't say that you are perfect. My policy is that whatever you learn, learn it thoroughly, learn it perfectly, so that you will never forget the things. It is not only for your examination, it is for your speech. Whenever you appear any competitive examinations, there you will face these things. In this video, I have given some examples. If you have already learned it, then it is for your practice. For that, please stop the video here. Go and bring pen and paper. At each page, stop the video, write down the tags with the numbers. That is, first example, this is a tag. Second example, this is a tag. So write down only tags at least. And just after that, see the result. And if you find that you have not learnt properly, then at the end of this video there is a link and you will get the video in which I have explained everything. And one more very important thing, now this is the level 1 video. After this you will have to go through level 2 also. So when you are very much confident that level 1 is okay with you, you have learnt everything in level 1, then you go to level 2. Okay, now let us start. Pause the video here and fill in the blanks. He was forced, wasn't he? She will take care of it, won't she? They were given pass, weren't they? It's so easy, isn't it? We can win this match, can't we? Once again, pause the video here and fill up the blanks. We must respect elders, mustn't we? You should carry your deal, shouldn't you? We had given consent, hadn't we? She could do it, couldn't she? He could have done it, couldn't he? Pause the video and fill up the blanks. Arun doesn't like sweets, does he? These children won't listen, will they? We shan't follow him, shall we? This won't work, will it? This task is not easy, is it? Pause the video and fill up the blanks. Ajay had not come here, had he? Anu didn't win, did she? People are not happy, are they? This idea won't work, will it? His promise has got no value, has it? Once again, pause the video here and fill up the blanks. My aunt doesn't work, does she? Balu and Anu weren't called, were they? My friends don't trust you, do they? Iran didn't surrender, did she? People must not tolerate corruption, must they? Once again, pause the video and fill up the blanks. No one was present, were they? None of them is happy, are they? He never went to bar, did he? Nobody came to me, did they? Neither of them came, did they? Pause the video here and fill up the blanks. Nothing matters, does it? It hardly matters, does it? None can ever suspect you, can they? They seldom visit us, do they? He rarely gets angry, does he? She scarcely attends the meeting, does she? Pause the video here again. My sister goes frequently, doesn't she? Some children play daily, don't they? Shanta and her son live here, don't they? Anu's family lived here, didn't they? Our team won the match, didn't it? Pause the video and fill up the blanks. India won the match, didn't it? The rich should be generous, shouldn't they? Something smells good, doesn't it? All of us are capable, ain't we? You and I make a good pair, don't we? Once again, pause the video and fill up the blanks. This is your pen, isn't it? Those are old books, ain't they? Team India is strong, isn't it? I is a vowel, isn't it? All lights are switched off, ain't they? Pause the video and fill up the blanks. It's so nice, isn't it? I'm honest, ain't I? He's going now, isn't he? He has no idea, hasn't he? She'd rather quit the job than tolerate nonsense, wouldn't she? Now you have come to know your strength and weakness. Now it is time for you to clarify your doubts. So watch the explanation video whose link is here. If you feel the video is useful, then like it.